Man, them boy got a car show going on over here. So I'm gonna just show y'all all the cars, man. Y'all can drop down in the comment section who y'all think gonna win, man. You feel me? We got this MC with the Forgiatos on it. All right. Full color, red gut. What? Motherfucker in here, look at that flip. Guts crazy. It's away from that music. Matter of fact, I think I had this car on the channel before. Fully on Ford. Kind brakes, you really see slotted rotors. Gold digger. Shit crazy, look at the gut. The bucket seats, center console, original steering wheel. And yeah, I definitely had this car on the channel before. A lot of y'all might be like, man, y'all be trying to judge people's cars and stuff like that. But my thing is, man, you can't judge nobody's car, man. You know, everybody got their own style and how they want their cars, man. You feel me? Florida, endless summer. Look at the tag, say Florida, endless summer. That motherfucker crazy. Look at the pinstripe. That detail right there, man. Rims crazy. The truck crazy. Yes, sir. Done right. See, where I'm from, man, people just be putting anything on their truck, man. These trucks be done right over there. He got a running board. I'm pretty sure when he open the door, the running boards come out. Y'all see his suspension. He got all that done. You know what I'm saying? Right. Getting that footage. Feel me? Let me know in the comment section, man, who the hardest car y'all think at this little car show. All the cars that I showed, that's everybody who into the car show. Just let me know what y'all think of the cars, man. that boy got some pressure out here, man. For sure. And man, drop down in the comment section, man, the hardest car y'all think out here. To be honest, I think this right here, man, with the cooler and everything, you pull up crushing. Oh God! Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. Going on.